नहीं, नेवर नेवर, हमको कभी नहीं आता है वोट चोरी करना। वोट चोरी तो एक नया तरीका 2014 के बाद में हमको सीखने को मिला। कैसे? इलेक्शन कमीशन का अपॉइंटमेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने रद्द करती है, तो अमित शाह जी नया कानून पार्लियामेंट में लाकर उसको बहाल करने का तरीका चेंज करते हैं। दिस इज द वोट चोरी।
Okay, Kamruzaman Chaudhary, this is the vote chori. Can you please explain how did Rahul Gandhi win his 2 Lok Sabha seats?
ED,
No, 1 minute, sir. ED, CBI is fine. Kamruzaman ji, how did Rahul Gandhi manage to win 2 Lok Sabha seats?
These people, the RSS and the BJP, have stooped so low to just remain in power that itself is an example for the Indian democracy how not to do. And mind you one thing.
No, I know you can't answer that question about, no, 1 minute. Rahul Gandhi winning 2 seats, but that's okay. Kamruzaman ji, sir, एक बात बताइए. If you think Modi is the prime minister because of vote chori, then you think anything will change? You can call him Superman, Shaktiman, Thalaiva. How will that change if the BJP is still doing vote chori?
साथ देता है वो लीडर ऑफ द नफरती चिंटूस इन इंडिया. They have made India into two divided, what you call this, people out here who will swear by Modi in the view, in the name
okay,
of.
So Rahul Gandhi can't win election. Look, Kamruzaman ji, please, we are talking of Thalaiva. You have nothing to talk of Rahul Gandhi. You're talking about Narendra Modi. Sanju Verma, will you talk of Rahul Gandhi or Narendra Modi? Because they are saying this is vote chori, which is why the BJP wins.
You know, Pranesh, I need just 120 seconds to nail the bluff of Kamruzaman. You know, he says, see what Trump has done to Modi, what Trump has done to India. You know, these guys should know that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is only one among the 4 leaders globally ever to address the US Congress thrice. The other 3 being Winston Churchill, Nelson Mandela, and Benjamin Netanyahu. And today we are the world's 4th largest economy. पर आपका रोना बंद नहीं होगा. Simply say this. You know, Rahul Gandhi प्रधानमंत्री बनेंगे in 2029. Somebody said, yes, 2029 में maybe Karan will win an Oscar, Sanju Verma will win a Golden Globe, and Pranesh will, win a Grammy award. That is not the moot point here. The moot point is this, that these people keep laughing at us, saying, अरे 400 पार का तो 240 तक आकर सिमट गए. अरे भाई साहब, for the first time in 62 years, a man became prime minister for the 3rd time in a row. That man's name is Narendra Modi. For the first time, also, let me tell you, in 37 years, Congress came back to power twice in a row in Uttar Pradesh in 2022. For the first time in 17 years, the Congress came back to power in Uttarakhand twice in a row. We are in government in Goa for more than 18 years. We are in government in Gujarat for more than 20 years.
Sanju Verma, answer what Haji Randre said. In 2029, Rahul Gandhi will be the prime minister. How will you stop him?
Yeah. I just want to say what JP Nadda often says. Why is it that the BJP is the only national party? Because he says that the Congress, which could have become an alternative, is no longer a viable option because कहीं की ईट, कहीं का रोड़ा, भानुमति ने कुनबा जोड़ा. कांग्रेस का ना कोई कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम है, ना कोई आइडियोलॉजी है. They chucked out Himanta Biswa, humiliated him. He's the chief minister of Assam. The current chief minister of Arunachal Pradesh was earlier a Congressee. You know, Captain Amrinder Singh was booted out so unceremoniously.
No, but sir,
so
ma'am, that's all right. How will you, how will you stop Rahul Gandhi, or can you stop Rahul Gandhi from becoming the prime minister in 2029?
Rahul Gandhi is self-destructive. राहुल गांधी को डिस्ट्रॉय करने के लिए बीजेपी को अम्यूनिशन की जरूरत नहीं है. एंड आई विल एंड विथ व्हाट प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी सेड ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द लोकसभा. तुम्हारे पांव के नीचे जमीन नहीं है, लेकिन कमाल तो यह है तुम्हें यकीन नहीं है. राहुल गांधी एंड दरबारीज लाइक कमरू refuse to wake up and smell the coffee. That's
ma'am, let's not get personal. Let's just answer each other, please. Dr. Joshi,